Electric vehicles, EVs, were gaining popularity and market share in many regions, but there were still several challenges and barriers that were affecting their widespread adoption. Here are some reasons why electric cars might not have been capturing the market share as quickly as expected. High initial cost. Electric vehicles generally have a higher upfront cost compared to traditional internal combustion engine vehicles. While the cost of EVs has been decreasing over time, the initial price remains a significant consideration for many consumers. Limited charging infrastructure. Range anxiety is a concern for potential EV buyers. The availability of charging stations, especially in rural or less developed areas, might not be sufficient to support long-distance travel or widespread EV adoption. Range limitations. Although the range of electric vehicles has been increasing, some consumers may still perceive the limited range as a drawback, especially for those who frequently undertake long-distance journeys. Charging time. While technology has improved, recharging an electric vehicle can still take longer than refueling a conventional car with gasoline or diesel. Fast charging stations are becoming more common, but the charging time can still be a concern for some drivers. Battery technology. Though battery technology has been advancing rapidly, some consumers may be hesitant due to concerns about battery life, replacement costs, and the environmental impact of battery production and disposal. Lack of model variety. In the past, there was a limited selection of electric vehicle models available, which made it challenging to find an EV that suited every consumer's needs and preferences. However, this is changing as more automakers are introducing electric models. Consumer awareness and education. Many potential buyers may not be fully aware of the benefits of electric vehicles or might have misconceptions about them. Education and awareness campaigns can play a crucial role in dispelling myths and promoting the advantages of EVs. Policy and incentives. Government policies and incentives, such as tax credits, rebates, and reduced registration fees, can significantly impact the adoption of electric vehicles. The absence or limitations of such policies in certain regions might affect the market share of EVs. Existing infrastructure and interests. The automotive industry, infrastructure, and consumer preferences have long been built around gasoline-powered vehicles. Transitioning to electric vehicles requires significant changes in multiple areas. Many of these challenges have been recognized by governments, automakers, and stakeholders, and they are actively working to address them to accelerate the adoption of electric vehicles. The growing awareness of climate change and environmental concerns, advancements in battery technology, and increased charging infrastructure are likely to play significant roles in boosting the market share of electric cars in the future. But why everyone is focusing on making electric scooters, not electric motorcycles? Well, that's a topic for another video. Till then, please subscribe to the Learning Tribe and click the bell icon to get notified about our upcoming videos. Well, that's a topic for another video. Till then.